There's been a lot of discussion about audit the Fed. There are people who say yes to audit the Fed. There are people like us, me, that say no. Now, why do we say no? There's 12 Federal Reserve banks. They have annual reports. All the information about them is there. Those banks report once a week on their entire array of holdings, their assets, their liabilities, how they're broken down, every single week on a Thursday afternoon. The information is already there. The issue of audit the Fed is the wrong characterization. It should be, let's debate policy about the Fed. Are the interest rates too low, too high? Are bank reserves too much, too little? Policy issues are fair things to debate, and the Congress is right in wanting to discuss them. The Federal Reserve is a creature of the United States government. It was created by the Congress. But audit the Fed is political hyperbole. It's a masquerade. It's a sham. There's nothing to audit that isn't already audited. Now think about the Federal Reserve in terms of what it does. Remember the payment system we take for granted every day when we wire money or write a check? The Federal Reserve manages the payment system of the entire United States. We take it for granted. It clears every day. Even after 9/11, when the payment mainframe computers were under rubble in New York, the payment system worked. Think about it for a minute. 2 days after 9/11, a real estate settlement occurred in California. A payroll was met in Texas. Payments for credit card usages were transferred in Florida. The system worked. It worked because of the safety systems and redundant systems in the Federal Reserve. What's to audit? It's already been tested and audited. When we have a political attack on the chair of the Federal Reserve, and she gets criticized because she had a meeting with the Treasury Secretary, what is behind this political attack? Every Fed chair meets with the Treasury Secretary. They got a lot of stuff to do together. So our argument about audit the Fed is not to defend the Fed, not to say the Fed shouldn't be examined, not to say questions shouldn't be asked. The whole idea is to ask them thoughtfully, debate the policy, do it with an attempt to improve the system, not bang on the table and create political exaggeration and hyperbole. That accomplishes nothing. A debate about policy is fair game. An audit is unnecessary and distracting. Thanks for a couple of minutes to think about it.